At Leyland SDM, we have given away £10,000 this year. It's all thanks to our Give London a Lift campaign. One of our winners is the Kingston Hospital Charity. They do amazing work for raising money for the Kingston Hospital.
We work with colleagues from across the hospital as well as with individuals and organisations from across our community in order to help deliver outstanding care and the best possible outcomes for our patients now and in the future. Everything we do tends to be very need driven, so we tend to fundraise for specific projects. One of the projects that we want to focus on today is the adult cancer building, the Sir William Rous unit that was built in 2007 as a result of a multi-million pound community fundraising campaign. The gift that you are providing could be utilised as part of a wider project to upgrade and enhance the environment within the Sir William Rous unit to make it feel less clinical and warmer and more welcoming for the patients that come in for their chemotherapy. I think you want to be in a kind of the right mindset, and I think the environment that you're in is important. So creating something that feels more welcoming, more positive, provides visual distractions is probably helpful to patients. Every little bit helps, of course, and we're very appreciative to every individual and organisation, so a big thank you to Leyland SDM.
We are delighted to support these great causes in London.